Welcome to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm sharing with you guys all the ways you can use shaving cream to clean your kitchen. Shaving cream is really great for shining stainless steel. It doesn't have a lot of harsh chemicals in it, and it also prevents those little fingerprints that happen if you have small children or even yourself just opening and loading and unloading the dishwasher. It keeps it shine for a whole lot longer. It's also great for polishing. Chrome. It works really well for shining up your sink, giving it a nice finish. You can use it on the inside of your sink like I am here, or you can use it just on your faucets. You can also use this on the faucets in your bathroom sinks, on your bathroom bathtub, your shower. Works really well, just shines it up really nice, once again without all those yucky chemicals, and just gives it a really nice shine, leaving it really polished looking, which is always the end goal, right? Also use shaving cream to remove stains. I used it to remove staining on my plastic cutting board here. All you have to do is wipe it on, let it sit for a little bit. I let mine sit for, I don't know, about an hour or so. Then I went ahead and rinsed it off in the sink, and it looked fantastic. So this is another way you can use shaving cream around your kitchen to remove stains off of old cutting boards. Another way you can use shaving cream in your kitchen is to use it on your glass top stove. This surprisingly worked really well. There is an acidic value in shaving cream that makes it really well for removing stains, cutting through grease and grime, which is really interesting. It works a lot in the same way that an acidic vinegar does to break down bacteria, break down smells, break down odors, break down staining, and also giving it that nice shine that we've been talking about this entire video during your chrome in your sink and on your stainless steel appliances. It's going to do the exact same thing on top of your stovetop here. I just went ahead and buffed this in. Once I was happy with the amount of gunk and grime and burnt down food that it took off, I went ahead and wet down my washcloth, and I wiped it down with a wet washcloth just to get rid of any residue that might have stayed behind on the glass top stove, because we are putting food up here. And then I went ahead and wiped it down one more time with a dry washcloth, and you can see the end result here. It worked really well. It's really great if you're looking to clean your glass top stove without a glass top stove cleaner. Maybe you don't have a scraper or something like that. This is a really great alternative. I have a ton of other videos on how to clean the top of your glass top stove. I will link them down below for you guys if you're looking for more creative ways to clean your glass top stove on a budget without a lot of special tools, with just things that you have laying around your house. And it worked really well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this helped you, and I will see you guys in the next one.